Hello everyone and welcome back to the experience. Today I think this very tricky hard question. Many people solve it. This is actually a very simple question, but if you don't follow the rules, then you get stuck. And if you are smart enough, then must comment your answer. Do it. Which way there if you already get answer. But I will solve for those who don't want to solve. Here we have 21 divided by 3 minus 21 divided by 3. There are two questions. So we simply solve with what? PEMDAS and step-wise mathematics to get the right one. Nothing else. Simple math and nothing else. Okay. Here we can see there are three operations which are division, subtraction, and division. So according to PEMDAS, division should be higher priority than subtraction. So we will first operate the division. So there are also two divisions. So we'll simply solve for this division. Because there is separation, so we can solve any division. Okay. So first we will solve this division, which one is 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3, we will get answer 7. Okay, we will write here our question again. 7 minus 21 divided by 6. Now many friends to solve like they are forming like 7 minus 21, and they will write, if you subtract from this 7 from 21, you will get what? 14 divided by 3, that is minus 14, and they will start with this answer. But this is not right way. Please, there is also, this will be right, 7 minus 21 divided by 3. There is also division operation which have the higher priority, so we will operate first to this. Okay. So we will write 7 minus 21 divided by 3 with 27. So we will simply write 7. And 7 minus 7 will be 0. So here right answer is 0. And if you're seniors, they must check out our Amazon files for the like this video and subscribe our channel for this way. Please.